Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. And we are here talking. I am the professor. That's right, that is helping you with vocabulary. Well, I'm helping me with vocabulary as well because I'm trying to learn a whole bunch of new words this year. And you guys are helping me do that by forcing me to say these great words to you each and every day. And today's word is Pettifogger. Pettifogger. And it's about minor quibbles over minor details. And I am not a detailed person, but they tell me that the devil's in the details, right? Details are super important, but we shouldn't quibble over the smallest detail to the point where it paralyzes us. Some of us, we say, well, that T wasn't crossed or that I wasn't dotted. And I know we have to do that in many things, but sometimes, if we spend so much time on the details, we forget the big picture. So I guess the sense is we don't quabble over or don't pettifogger over some of those details, or don't be a pettifogger. And sometimes it's important to be, but don't be a pettifogger on things that don't matter. That's what I would tell you today. Don't do it on things that don't matter. So don't be that pettifogger that just makes everybody upset and not one to work with you. All right, so you guys have an awesome, wonderful day today. And we will look forward to talking to you with another great word tomorrow.